Welcome to the Daily Reminder Network.
It's become so cheap to sin, really. So free. But if you look at it, the other side, the flip side, it's become equally cheap. Or should I say, when I say cheap here, I'm not talking of cheaply, I'm talking about that which is cost-free. It has become cost-free to do good deeds as well. You can do a lot of good deeds, so many beautiful messages, lovely clips, mashallah. People are sending reminders to one another. Reminder, my brother, do good. My sister, do good. Mashallah, tabarakallah. You have the daily reminder. You have so many other different platforms. Mashallah. Whatever you want, you can see, you can listen. Different people use different platforms for different reasons. Select those who are doing good and subhanallah benefit from them if that's the case. And share it with others. Don't just be miserly and have that only for yourself. Share it with others and you will see by the will of Allah, your heart will be at peace and ease. Why? You were disciplined. You understood the values you are supposed to live by on and off social media.
Donate now. Go to www.thedailyreminder.org/donate and stay updated by joining our network's social links.